am in my new apartment. Great! I live with Marcia. We're roommates. I want to cook dinner. Oh! Is there a supermarket near here? Marcia knows. Marcia's work number is 555-8986. Hello, is this Marcia? It is Anna.
I'm sorry, you have the wrong number.
Is this 555-8986?
No, this is 555-8689.
Oh, excuse me.
Okay, bye.
One more time. 555-8986. Please be Marcia.
Hello, this is Marcia.
Yes, Marcia, I want to cook dinner.
Excuse me? Anna, is that you?
Oh yes, I am here.
Good, you are there.
I want to find a supermarket.
Oh, okay. The supermarket is at 1500 Irving Street. It is near the apartment.
Great. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Anna.
There is a big supermarket on our street, and Marcia says I am a good cook. Until next time, bye.